What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to create this look right here. I wanted to do something with cool tones and I wasn't exactly sure what, but this is what I came up with. I really love how it turned out. I had a little bit of trouble with my eyeliner, but I ended up Hello everybody, welcome back. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to create this look right here. I wanted to do something with cool tones. I wasn't sure exactly what, but I really love how it came out. So I ended up doing this glitter cut crease for you guys. If you guys are interested in how to achieve this look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below and like this video. Just moisturizing my face right now. It's been really dry lately and I don't know why, so I don't know if you guys can see around my nose area. It's like peeling. I always go through that. So I'm just moisturizing the skin before I apply my makeup. Okay, so I'll be taking my Plouise base in the shade 2 as my eyeshadow primer. I'm just taking this brush to buff it out to make it smooth. And for today's look, I'll be using this Morphe times Jeffree Star palette. I bought it maybe like a month ago and I haven't used it. Whoops. And it's so pretty, so I'll be using the black, the silver in there, and the brown to create the look today. I'm finally also using the brushes that came in my BoxyCharm. So I'll be taking this blue little brush from this Lavish brand that came in there. They're so pretty, they're so colorful, so I'm excited. I picked up the black color, so let's go ahead and apply that as our first shade. Make sure you're tapping it on and not taking it too high, but I definitely want to make it very bold and strong as well. So like I said, just make sure you're tapping it on and be careful with it. It's a little risky to start off with the black, but I feel like it was necessary for this look. So that was Fastlane that I used. Next, I'm taking Vroom Vroom, which is like a dark gray, and I'll be applying it on top as my second shade with this Morphe M321 brush. So what I am doing here is not directly applying the whole color on top of the black, but rather half of the shade on top of it. So it can diffuse the black, but not create a messy look. We are going to apply another shade on top of this as well, which will be a brown in just a second. But for right now, I'll be working with the gray and just making sure that it's looking a little bit diffused, but not too much all the way to the brow bone. So I know I look a little bit weird right now, but don't worry, because in the end we'll clean everything up, especially here in the end. I know it looks pretty messy, but we're gonna go ahead and clean that up like I said, so it'll look nice and snatched. The brown shade I'll be picking up is going to be the Boss Angeles shadow right here. It's a little bit of orange, so we'll be applying that as my third shade. A lot more orange than I thought it would be, but we're just gonna work with it and see how it ends up looking. I'm going back with that gray color I applied as my second shade just to intensify it a little bit further. Taking the pink brush from my Lavish collection once again, I am going to go ahead and buff that out. So I am taking a little bit of that black again, just because I feel like we do lose some of it when I apply the other shades. And I am about to cut my crease, so I want it to look very, very sharp and dramatic. So I am taking the cotton swab and this Garnier Micellar cleansing water to cut my crease, or to clean it up first. And if you guys hear some weird music outside, just ignore it. I don't know who's out there, but Yeah, they're playing like weird music and stuff. Okay, so I cut my crease, and as you guys can see, it's not perfect. It did get a little bit messy with the black eyeshadow, but I will be cutting it more with my concealer, so it'll look very, very pretty up. To cut the crease, I am taking my Plouise blank canvas on this Mama Mitchell flat brush once again. So I went ahead and applied this pretty silver in the shade Custom Rims. I was planning on applying glitter over that, but I like how it looks on its own. It's very shiny and pigmented, so I think I'm just going to leave it like that. I love how this looks. What is that? I covered like my whole eyelid with it. I never like do this thick of eyeliner, but I fucked up by using this. I mean, the eyeliner itself, I feel like it's not bad, but the wand, it's too stiff. I just couldn't work with it, so I fucked up the look, but we're just gonna keep going. I did my other eye off camera, so let's go ahead and do the bottom eyeshadow, and then I'll do the rest of my face, and we'll be finished with the look. I'm applying more of that Plouise base at the bottom of my eye, just so the eyeshadow can stick and be very pretty and vibrant underneath. I'm gonna apply more of that black underneath towards the bottom. Whoa, I look fucking scary. My eyes look so big. Oh. So let's go ahead and just finish the eyes, because I really want to clean up under here. I look really, really scary, like Jesus Christ. But I think I'll look good at the end. I legit look like a koala. I'm just going to apply some bottom eyeliner. This one's by Beverly. It's so creamy. I love it. It's really pigmented. It's not drying. And it's a little twist up, so you don't need a sharpener for it. Look, I loved how it came out. I added this cute clip I bought from the 99 cent store. I think it added the final touch to the look. If you guys enjoyed it and want to see more, please leave me a comment down below, like this video, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. Until next time, bye!